Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Fennel, the herbal remedy for happy babies. The nutritional benefits that fennel seeds provide are extensive, but their use for infants can still cause many parents to worry about whether it is truly safe for their child. Is fennel safe for babies? It is safe for babies when consumed in controlled quantities. However, it is essential to avoid giving fennel seeds directly to infants. Nutritional value of fennel. Fennel is rich in various nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and B6 and minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, making it a nutritious choice for babies. Health benefits of fennel seeds for babies. 1. Protection from microbes. Fennel seeds have antimicrobial properties, which can help protect infants from infections. 2. Treating digestive disorders. Fennel water can effectively treat digestive issues like bloating and gas in babies. 3. Remedying colic issues. Fennel water or oil can reduce infant colic problems by aiding gas expulsion. 4. Increased lactation. Fennel can increase lactation in nursing mothers, benefiting babies. Precautions. 1. Check for allergies. Before giving fennel to your baby, check for any allergic reactions. 2. Never give fennel seeds directly. Avoid giving whole seeds to prevent choking hazards. 3. Prepare fennel seeds appropriately. Boil fennel seeds at a low temperature to retain their antioxidants. Fennel recipes for babies. 1. Fennel tea. Ingredients: dandelion leaves, 1 teaspoon. Fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon. Honey, 1 teaspoon. Water, 1 cup. Recipe: boil water, add dandelion leaves and crushed fennel seeds, simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and add honey. 2. Fennel water. Preparing fennel water is relatively easy. All you have to do is leave some fennel seeds in hot water overnight. Fennel can be beneficial for babies when used correctly and in moderation. Consult a doctor before introducing fennel to your baby's diet to ensure it suits them.